So when the simulation is finished, you should see this happy message that has been successfully finished or completed. So just click OK, close the simulation scheduler, and now let's explore some of the results of the simulation we just did. So I just go into the manage results and add my F2C demo to the results here, remove everything else that I'm not using here, and go into views, and let's go to some of the default views, which are annual carbon stocks. Now this is a pretty handy graph to look at. So you see the simulation ran for 100 years. I have total ecosystem, biomass, and DOM. And one of the graphs is really handy to look at and make sure that the simulation has been run properly is the area that has been disturbed. And you can look at that and compare it with the area that ATLAS or Forest Planning Studio is reporting as a disturbed area. So go into my views and click on new view, select disturbed area, select area that's been disturbed, click submit, click done, and now if you go into my views and expand it, you say you have area disturbed graph. So double click on it, and this is the graph of the area that has been disturbed. So you can see every year I have something going on, and this pattern is just emphasizing the fact that I was stressing before, that I have split the disturbances into even areas throughout the planning horizon. So from 60 to 70, for example, I have even area to be disturbed. So this is important because it's not 100% accurate from the carbon stocks point of view, but it's accurate enough, and it does a better job than a Forest Planning Studio would do with using the carbon curves built in. So that would be all for running the simulation, and I can actually close the program here and just go into the into some of the comparison graphs I did using the tool or not using the tool. So this is one of the projects I'm working on at Alex Fraser Research Forest, and one of the scenarios is a baseline or historic approach, and the dotted line represents the carbon stocks reported by Forest Planning Studio using the old-fashioned way of generating carbon curves somewhere else and importing them into Forest Planning Studio. They're pretty close. I'm pretty happy with what I see, and same for a different scenario of reduced harvest level. As relative to the baseline, I see pretty close values as well. Anyway, I believe using the tool gives you more accurate estimates of the carbon stocks, and I strongly recommend to be used in the future for whoever is using the combination of Forest Planning Studio and carbon budget model. And I will prepare some other videos as I promised with more details about the tool and how these queries have been created and how they work. They are for more advanced users, so I would strongly recommend to be watched only by those individuals interested in manipulating these queries and adjusting them properly to their needs.